My name is Cynthia Fisher from Big Bang Mosaics in Buckland, Mass. I'm the artist behind the mosaics in Shelburne Falls. Welcome to the Riverwalk.
Some of the animal mosaics, the bears, fox, and deer, were worked on by members of the community in 2 days of work sessions at the Shelburne Senior Center. I don't get to town all that often, so when I do visit these mosaics, I really enjoy seeing them, and I'm happy with how they reflect the beauty of these incredible animals.
Welcome to my studio, Big Bang Mosaics. I've been a mosaic artist for 25 years now, and I love what I do. My work is divided into a bunch of different kinds of mosaic artwork, so that I do public art, which is the main thrust of my work. I do community and school projects. I teach mosaics at craft centers as well as here in my studio. And I also find time to create my own personal work, which is really important to me because it's the best way to grow as an artist. And I just love the mosaic medium.
Part of my signature style of mosaic art is in the use of materials. I like to incorporate mosaic glass, which is the small squares, along with larger pieces of stained glass, broken disheries, and pottery shards, and sometimes, depending on the subject of the art, more unexpected materials, such as metal springs, nails, rocks, and shell fragments. My husband Marcus and I built our house and the straw bale barn my studio is in. We've always made an effort to incorporate art into the structures, such as mosaics on the chimney, in our shower, and on a bathroom floor. We love living in our rural part of Western Mass. It's quiet, but for birdsong or the wind blowing in the trees, and being close to nature is something I wouldn't trade for anything.
Through these mosaics, I can honor the wildlife and the area I'm fortunate to call home.